Group chats let you and your friends chat together with ChatGPT in one place. Perfect for planning, brainstorming, projects, or group ideas. First, make sure the ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version. This feature won't appear on older versions. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the group chat icon in the top right corner to get started. Tap Set up your profile, choose a display name, username, and add a profile picture if you want. Then tap Save Profile. Tap Start Group Chat to create your new group. Tap Invite with link. Choose how you want to share it, text message, email, or social media. Your group can include up to 20 people. Once friends join, everyone can chat together with ChatGPT. Use it to plan trips, work through ideas, or collaborate on projects. Private chats are not shared with groups. ChatGPT won't create memories from group conversations. Everyone can see who's in the group, and you can leave anytime. Group chats are great for teamwork and planning, but keep personal chats private. And that's it. That's how you create a ChatGPT group chat using the new feature. Subscribe for more AI tips and updates.